Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to import products from Amazon and grab them into your WooCommerce store. So for example, I am adding Amazon's product and search for robot vacuum cleaners. And I can also add some filters like 5-star or 4-star and above, or add a price filter from and to, and then I will have this list. Just use this URL to grab the products. Now go to website import woocommerce.com. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And on this page, we have this import Amazon's product to WooCommerce. Just go to the plugins page and add to cart and download the plugin. Once you have this, the zip file, you just install it on your WordPress. So here is my WordPress blank website where I have this plugin uploaded and activated. Then you will see this menu, Amazon Scrapper. Just go to Amazon Scrapper. And here you will see this page, but there are no scrapping fields. So just click on download Chrome extension and add this extension to your Chrome browser. Add extension. Okay, after successfully activating the extension on your Google Chrome browser, just refresh the scrapper page on your plugin. Now we have these two fields. So go to Amazon, copy the list URL and add them here. Paste and click on get product URLs from listing page. It will take a couple of seconds and then it will grab all the single product URLs. Like this one found 19 unique URLs, added here. If you want to also add the next page, just go to the second page of the products and copy that URL as well. The second page, copy this URL again, add it here and click on get URL products, and those URL will also be added here. So the next step is you have to choose the category from your website. Like my category was robot vacuum cleaner and the electronics category. Let's search for electronics, home electronics, and I will add simple product, not variable or not external. If you want to add affiliate products, you can just change it to affiliate and add your affiliate ID here and add 0 commission, because affiliate products are scrapped with original price. So I will add 40% commission because I want to add simple product, as I want to add them as dropship. So now let's click on start scrap and wait for it. It will crawl all the products one by one and then it will import them into your WooCommerce store. You can go back to the scrappers page to see the status. Here's the status. You can see the first product has been added already, and it will now add all these products one by one, and you can wait. Now, while these products are being fetched, let's go to products page and see if these robot vacuum cleaners are already added. We have these two products added just right now. It's 92307, which is the server time, and this is my time. If I refresh the page, we will have another product. We have this product as well, which is 308, which is 808 from my time. So this is how you can add product from WooCommerce, from Amazon to your WooCommerce store. And here is the plugin page where you can buy this. I will add this URL in the description. So I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.